Hey everyone, Riley here, doing the interactive advanced concept presentation for week one. So I have all my supplies here. I have pepper, salt, handy dandy plate, and my balloon. So we'll mix the salt and pepper on the plate here. I have to open the top up just to sprinkle out a little bit faster. Pour the salt in. And we'll mix her up. So you can see it's all mixed in there. All right, now we'll blow up our balloon with some air. Whew, took a lot of air on me. I haven't blown up a balloon in a while. Just tie the end here. So we have our hot air, our mixture, and then we're going to rub against your head. So we'll rub against the head here. And then we'll see if the particles will separate. And they do. So you can see down here, maybe not, but you might be able to hear them. But you can see on here how the pepper is coming onto the balloon. See all that there? So if we go back over, there's some electricity here. So the negative charges are polarizing the salt and pepper, and that's why we're making a shift. So moving the electrons of the salt and pepper to one side and leaving one end positive and one end negative. So that's where we're getting our attraction. So positive end is attracted to the balloon due to the negativity of the charge. And then the pepper is moving because the pepper is lighter. So you can see all the pepper on the balloon. So the pepper is lighter than salt, and that's why if we look back, oops, there's pepper on my computer. If we look back at the plate here, you can see how more pepper is gone, the salt is sitting there, clear as day, after we mixed it all up. So in this experiment, it did work. There's no faultiness about the experiment, no failure. But if it did fail, you'd have to think about other things like all balloons are the same, but thickness of hair. Did you have hair gel in? You know, just things like that. Or what kind of salt or pepper that you had. Did you have Himalayan salt over white salt, or crushed or powdered pepper, or anything like that? But my experiment had worked. Explain the shift of the charges there. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. Thank you.